Today we'll be looking at the daisy stitch pattern. The daisy stitch is a 4-row stitch pattern, and you need a multiple of 4 stitches plus 1 extra stitch if you are working flat. It is somewhat similar to the Trinity stitch or the bramble stitch, but it is different. It produces a different looking fabric. Let me show you how to work this. On our right side row, you will knit 1, and then we're going to work over 3 stitches. So we're going to knit 3 together, but not drop them from our left hand needle. And then we're going to make a yarn over the right hand needle, and then knit those 3 stitches together once more. So we've made 3 stitches out of 3 stitches. This is a star stitch. And then we knit 1, and then we do that again, 3 stitches, knit 3 together, don't drop them from the left needle. Using lace tip needles can help with this. Don't drop them from the left needle. Make a yarn over around the right hand needle, knit those 3 stitches together once more, very carefully, like so, and then drop them from the left needle. And then knit 1, and then knit 3 together. So I snug up so that I don't have a huge gap. And then yarn over, and then knit those 3 together again. And then I wiggle to get those stitches on the right hand needle and then drop them from the left needle. Knit 1, knit 3 together, yarn over, knit those 3 together once more, like so, wiggle everything into place, and then you should have a knit 1 at the end. Then our wrong side rows, we purl across. You want to make sure you work those stitches in the correct order. So sometimes they can get kind of bunched up or out of order, so make sure you're working them in their right order. You should have one that falls behind, looks like a purl stitch, and then the next one should be sitting in front. And see, these have reversed positions, so this is my next one right there. And then the last one looks like a purl stitch. It's falling to the back, like so. So again, a back stitch, and then one in the front, and then one in the back. Like so. Now row 3, we alternate, we swap positions for the little star stitch. And we don't want to work one at the edge, at the selvage edge, especially if you're going to be doing some seaming. So you'll work a knit 3, and then you'll do your star stitch, and the star stitch here should be falling in between with that center plain knit column in the middle. So we knit 3 together, yarn over, knit those 3 together again, like so, knit 1, and then knit 3 together, yarn over, knit those 3 together again, very carefully, and then drop them, knit 1, knit 3 together. Don't drop them from the left needle. Hook and yarn over, knit those 3 again, drop. And then you'll have 3 stitches at the end, you'll knit 3. And then row 4, you purl across. So here is the finished fabric. I'll show you the wrong side. So there's a definite right and wrong side to the fabric. The wrong side is attractive, has a nice texture. But this is the right side of the work. It looks lovely when worked in 2 colors, so you'll alternate every 2 rows. I don't have a sample showing that, but it does look lovely. It tends to lie nice and flat. It doesn't curl too badly. It has some thickness to it, not a lot of stretch, but yeah, it's a quite lovely stitch pattern. Have you used this stitch pattern before? Let me know in the comments below. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.